Welcome to the Raindrop Release Meditation. It's an invitation to let stress melt away drop by drop. Just like rain doesn't force the earth to soften, your body doesn't need effort to release. It only needs permission. Find a comfortable position, let your shoulders drop, let your breath slow. Imagine the sky above you growing quiet and overcast, the kind of calm that comes just before rain. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Your release begins now. Picture the first raindrop touching the top of your head, cool, light, refreshing. As it lands, it dissolves a small layer of tension, thoughts that were too loud, pressure that didn't need to be carried. Another raindrop falls, and another. They move gently across your scalp, your forehead, your eyes. With every drop, stress softens, emotions loosen, your mind grows quieter. Let this thought drift through you. I don't have to hold everything. Now feel the rain moving down your neck and shoulders, each drop melting away the weight you have been carrying there. Responsibility, effort, expectations. Let them wash downward out of your shoulders, out of your arms, out through your fingertips. Breathe naturally as the rain continues. Cross your chest, your heart, your belly. Notice how emotions stored there begin to dissolve. Not pushed away, not analyzed, simply rinsed clean. With every exhale, imagine the rain carrying heaviness out of your body, down through your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, and finally, your feet. The rain reaches the ground beneath you, where everything you have released is absorbed. Now imagine the rain slowing, the sky begins to clear. The air feels fresh, clean, new. Notice your breath, deeper, easier, unforced. Notice your body, softer, lighter, more at ease. Nothing was fixed, nothing was forced. You simply allowed to release. Take one deeper breath in and a long, slow breath out. Feel the calm that remains after the rain, quiet, open, restored. When you are ready, bring gentle movement to your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this lightness with you. You can return to this rain anytime. Thanks for meditating with me.